Okay, today, Monday. Not sure what day. What date is it?
The 23rd.
23rd. This is Rain. New horse in for remedial, like desensitizing and different things. It's broke. She's broke. She's 12, 13 years old. Quarter
I've never
horse.
gotten out of her baby mindset yet.
No, she spooks a lot of stuff, but she's not really afraid. It doesn't look like. She just doesn't. She just hasn't been desensitized. It doesn't look like to certain things. She's a quarter horse thoroughbred cross, an appendix.
You touch more with the thoroughbred side.
In touch more with her thoroughbred side, as Alice says. She's pretty. What do you say, 16?
I don't know.
Okay.
Like age or height?
Height.
Oh, I don't know. Horse height?
16 hands, I'd say. She's a big girl. Anyway, this is Rain. First horse of the season in for training.